Lucy, γριούλα. Γριούλα. Έλα το γριουλίτσα μου. Έλα γριουλίτσα μου. Happy, γριούλα? Huh? Happy? You like it here, γριούλα? Nice. Γριούλα μου. Μίνι, γριουλάκι. Ναι, γριούλα. Μπράβο, γριούλα. You like it here, γριούλα, yeah? You are happy? Happy, happy, happy. And Minnie and γριουλάκι. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. Καλησπέρα. Good evening. Καλησπέρα. Good evening. I want to update you, a quick update about the new area. It's almost ready. We just need to put some lights up there. But the dogs will be moved now from inside the house here. So this is the new area is ready. And the dogs from inside, they will move here now. And this is beds. This is some beds that you can walk up from here, steps up. It's bed for us, the volunteers and me, whoever wants to sleep here and have the view around. So you can sleep here. You can hear the rain because it's metal roof. Not absolutely metal, but it's, I don't know how to say it in English. It's a panel. So I miss the container time when I was sleeping with my cats and dogs and hear the rain. I miss it in the new house. So in this new area with this roof, we can hear the rain if it's raining. Somebody can sleep here and watch the view. We can go down the steps. This is a door for the dogs. Lucy, go to explore. This is the main door. So this is for the dogs. Ella, come in, miss. Ella, Lisa. You want to explore outside, yeah? This is Lisa, very old Lisa. She's very old. She's amazing girl. Lisa, come. She wants to explore. Okay, let her. Well, hello, Lisa. So this is the door. We can close it. We can open it. Gryula, go outside. And outside, hello. The dogs, they can go outside here. They can go down. Hello. Come on, Lisa. Come on, Lucy. Before, they was all the time in the house because we have so many dogs. We didn't have the chance for these dogs to live outside for their safety because they are too little, they are too sensitive. They was inside in the house. Now they have their own house and a place outside from the house to go in. Gryula, come on. Gryula, she say, where we go now? What is this? Ella, Gryula. Don't be scared. Ella, come. Come on. Come, Gryulaki. Bravo, Gryula. Bravo. Now you can explore. Lisa. Hey, Lisa. Lisa, she's very old. And Lucy say, what is this? Where they take us now? Let's go back home. Let's go back inside. Lucy? Oh, God. Lucy loves to sleep all the time in the sofa. So, the dogs, they can go in and out. Minnie is more brave as she is exploring. Minnie? Minnie. Gigi also will come here. She can walk up and down. You like Minnie? Minnie. She's so active. She's so naughty, Minnie, and she loves to explore. And Griulaki, they are both of them really naughty. Yeah, so they have a huge place. Griula, what are you doing up there? Happy? Happy, Griula? Yes. Ella. So let's go inside to see, because it's getting dark and there's no lights in this room yet. And I have to move all the other dogs. So this is the door. They go in and out. That's it. Gamze, good job. Amazing. Gamze and Leonie, they was working all day long so hard to fix the beds. And they are beautiful. It's so nice. So this is some beds for the dogs. They can sleep all around. We will put more blankets. We will put more blankets, and the old dogs, they can lay down in the blankets. Yes. Here it's another. We will put more stuff here. Lucy. So that's it. It's a big room. It's a really big room. Saskia, welcome. Ela, Griula. And in this room, in this place up here, I will put a fence. So inside there, it will be another bed for if it will be emergency for a dogs who are have an accident, for dogs who they need a therapy and they need to stay private. They can be here. And we also made the room for the special needs dogs a few days ago. So things are getting better. There is one light up here, but we need to put more lights. Actually, I'm thinking to put some candle in the top to hanging down from the roof, candles. So it will be more calm. That's it.
Should I open for them?
Yes, open for them. If they want to come, they will come. If they will not, come in. Come on, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the new house. Come on. They will follow you if you come. Come on, Susie. Come on, guys. And now we can close the door, Leonie. Leonie, can you close the door, please, now from there, so they will not go back in. Yeah. That's it. Perfect. That's it. Perfect. Now they can play. They have a big space. All these dogs, they goes in the house. You see that they have a space and they are so excited, so happy. And they can go outside also. Gigi, hey Gigi. Gigi. Lisa, Sandy, oh Pico, Ringo is scared to come out. Yeah, we have to bring. Oh my, they play so happy. You have no idea how happy I am watching this now. I was waiting for this for a long time. Opa! Oh, what a big place for the doggies. They can get naughty, they can go outside. And we can sleep up there in the beds and we can have a peaceful time. Eee. Tommy! Bozo! Perfect. And the dogs, they haven't noticed that they don't know yet that they can explore outside. Soon they will find out that there is a door and they can go outside also. And in the winter time, I'm going to put a fireplace in the middle here. It reminds me a lot of the container time when I was with the dogs and cats there. Super nice. I will go inside to show you where the dogs was before. Hey, Pee-Pee. Spitas. Spitas also needs to come out. Here they go. They goes here. They goes here, they pee, they poo. You know the situation, how it is here. All these dogs, they goes in this place here. Now, Bobby also with Ringo. Ringo will go outside also. Ringo, Spithas, Bobby, Spithas, Ringo, and Lisa. They will also go outside. We will take the fence away. We made the fence for us to protect the table. Now all this will go away, the fence, and it will be a house for us, for the volunteers. The volunteers are exhausted. They need a private place to get energy. So, and here we will put some sofa. We will buy some new sofa for us. So sometimes the volunteers, they can relax and they can see a little bit of TV. I don't need to see TV, but the volunteers, they need to charge their batteries. Okay. So this is the house. It was about 30 dogs inside here. And now they're outside. All these dogs, they will be outside. Mickey will stay in my bedroom. Mickey. And Lolita, because Lolita has epilepsy, she needs a peaceful place. And all the others, they can be outside. Here you are. I think they are exploring already. Where they are? They must be outside, the most of them. Ah, here you are. Happy? Happy, eh? Let's go. Yeah. Take them all here. Riula, now you like it out there, yeah? That's it. Perfect. That's it. That's the best idea we ever had, eh? And Leonie, she's an architect, so she helped a lot on this. And Gab's a super idea, so we have a beautiful team here. Now all these dogs, they go inside the house, all of them. They are so excited. Look how happy they are, all of them. And the visitors now, they can come here to spend the time with the dogs inside and outside. Yeah. Super. Where's Lady? Oh, lady, she's so old and deaf. Lady's deaf. She's so old, but she go up and down the steps. Bravo, lady. Super. Gigi? Gigi has a problem with her leg and we have to... She's so brave. Can you bring... Can we see Gigi a little bit? There's Gigi. I think Gigi, she needs to be inside the house. Oh, Gigi? We will see. She has a problem with her back leg. She's too soft. She's about 3 kilos, not even 3 kilos, 2 kilos. So, if one dog has to be inside, it's Gigi. We will see what she likes. She will choose. She will choose. Hello, Jimmy. Sandy. Sandy. We need to take also Blondie down from the... She's always Blondie, the mama of Jenny. She's always in my bed. Always. She don't go out at all. Now she has to go out. She has to do exercise. Perfect. Come on. Jimmy. Dear Jimmy, come on. You don't want to come? Oh, Jimmy, he's barking on me. He talked to me. He say, I want to go inside in the new house. And I thank you so much from your donations because of your donations is all this happened. Because of you, because you helped me so much, that's why I fix all this here. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your donations. All of them happy, excited. Jimmy's out now. Hey, Jimmy. Jimmy. He's a lovely guy. Bravo. And now we can take away the fence from the house inside. We was protecting the table. They have the volunteer. They have everything to see. They have tables. They have everything. They have hammocks. They have everything. Yes. The volunteers also, they will have a private area so they can relax in a sunbed. I buy some sunbeds for them. You don't. I'm honest. I'm not joking. I buy some sunbeds for the volunteers so they can relax. I can show it to you when I go inside. Not for me, because I don't like to be in the sun, but the volunteers, they want to relax under the sun. Yes, you agree, Leonie? Yeah. Did I buy sunbeds for you or not? Yeah. I have proofs. I can go inside to show them. Susie. Susie is nearly. She can't see well, and Hey, Booby, go out. Pico, you need to come here. And Ninja Boy, also you need to come here. Enjoy your time, ladies. So, we need to put more lights and candle in the top here. Hey. They are excited. They can go in and out, and they are so happy. They are so happy. We're going to fix more beds for them to be ready to sleep here later. Pee-pee. And I can see myself sleeping up there tonight. Nice. Okay. Spithas, Bobby, Lisa, Ringo, they will move outside now in that area. New area for them, new house for them. This is the sunbeds I buy for the volunteers I talked to you before. 1, 2, 3. So they can relax outside in the sun. I take care of the volunteers. And up there, Mickey's waiting for me. Mickey's waiting for me here. And Blondie, Zoe. Blondie and Zoe, they will... Zoe, me. Irema, easy. Blondie and Zoe, they will go outside also. Here, Mickey will stay with me here. Will stay in the bedroom, Mickey. Well, I don't know. I will take him down there, but not tonight. And Lolita also. Lolita is here because she has epilepsy. She gets epilepsy. That's why we have to keep an eye on her all the time. Zoe, you have to move. And you, Jenny, we will sleep down there. Look the situation, you see? And this is, we clean 1 hour before. Before I go down to the new area, I clean here and it's getting all the time pee and poo. It's not good to sleep with so much pee and poo all the time and wake up like this. The new area is the best. This is the balcony. Hey, Azor. Here, αγόρι μου. Snoopy. Beauty. Bo. Hermes. Heidi. Bo. Beauty. Tyson. Blondie, let's go. Let's move. Zoe, you have to move. A better quality of life for you, Zoe. All these dogs you are watching out, you saw outside, they was inside here. Time to move, guys. Hey, much better. Much better out there. We will all live together with them there. And the house will be for us to charge our batteries. They are very happy. You see them, how happy they are? And we will be all together in a better place, in more healthy place. Hey, happy, eh, Pee-Pee? Look at him, how excited he is. All right, now I have to go. I have to go now. But Gigi has to be inside here. That's her place. Gigi is only 2 kilos and she has to be inside here. Gigi. She's very soft. She has a problem with her back leg. And this is the place of her. Gigi. A few dogs, they will be inside because of they need to be in a peaceful place. Okay, now I have to go. It's getting dark. You can't see a lot. We will put lights there. And For one more time, we thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for your super support. Can you imagine all these dogs that goes inside here? Crazy. I have to go to find candles from up there so you can...
I just want to give Gigi.
Yeah, Gigi, you can give her to me. Gigi is not for outside there. Give her to me. Oppa, Gigi, beautiful. There is Gigi. That's the place of Gigi. She's only 2 kilos and she has a problem with her back leg. She's a very old injury. And she needs to be in a safe, in a very quiet place. Here. Gigi. We will take her every day outside and we will bring her back. Gigi. Hey, Gigi. Okay. Thank you so much for one more time. Have a lovely night. And we will update you again tomorrow. Gigi, happy. Gigi is so happy to be here. Sometimes she can't use her back leg well. The last 2 days she's like this, but it's an old injury. It's nothing we can do. I think that after some time she will use it back again. She's very happy. She has no pain and she's extremely happy. Hey, Gigi, are you happy? Yes, you are happy, Gigi. Happy, Gigi. The vet said that there's nothing we can do about her back leg. We can cut it. This is the only thing we can do. But I'm give her time because before she was using it really, really good. Now maybe it will be like this for a day or 2 days or a week, and after she can use it back again. She had a big injury before, long time in her back leg and fixed in the wrong way. There's nothing we can do that now there. Now she can use it a little bit. We are waiting. We are waiting. Okay, bye-bye, Kalinichta, Kalinichta. We will keep you updated. Ringo, let's go outside, Superboy. You was so long time inside the house. Scared of the other dogs outside. Now you have to go to enjoy your own big house. Kalinichta, good night.